Okay, hi, I am on Visual Studio Code. So I want to set up Visual Studio Code to run Python. I've got it on my computer and I think you can run it from that. But I'd already downloaded Visual Studio Code, so I wanted to use it for more. So I'm trying out and I would compare them. But what are the best ones? So you have to download Python first. I've done some other videos on that, and obviously Visual Studio Code downloaded. So once they're up and running, how would you get Python installed? Okay, first of all, you go to this box here. I'm hovering over, and because it says extensions, if I click on, we go for Python. So I went for this one. I'm just going to press on that. Python. Linting, debugging, multi-threaded remote, IntelliSense, Jupyter Notebooks, code formatting, refactoring, and so on. Disable and install. I've installed that, so you just press install. It took me a few moments actually. So I'm going to click away. It took a few minutes to install that one. Now once you've installed that, you can see I've got a file open. It says print hello world. So how did I start? Okay, file, I'd go to file, and you would press on new file, and this has come up. Print hello, I put that in, but a new file would appear. So how would you create a file extension? You would then, before you start, click on file again and save as. You then type it in here, as I have. I've got a file called hello. You'd put it in there, but make sure at the end is .py. So like that, period, py, be like that, py, instead of HTML or CS or JS for JavaScript, py at the back for Python. That's what I've done. I set that up, and then you'd save. So that file would be ready to save again. Okay, so I've got print hello world there. To test it, you would then press enter, and below here is the terminal, and you can see it's come up. Print hello world, hello world. The terminal showing what's happened. So it's on. Got something else going here, installing this. I'm not certain what it was for again. Linting or something. It's taken a while. It's struggling to install. Is it a bad connection or something? Not certain. But so far it seems alright. Got some other things to try like Selenium and whatnot. I think that's all I need at the moment to do very basic Python on Visual Studio Code. So basically that there is the extensions. I went for the first one, Python. Then to run it you need a .py extension file format. This the terminal. Showed everything was going right. What else have we got in this? Problems? No problems have been output. This is my first time using this, you see, a debug console. So these are the things I've got to learn myself. But that's how you install how you set up Visual Studio Code to run Python.